Good morning, everybody. It is 10:30 in the morning. I have edited the vlog already. Well, I have to because it goes up at 10 a.m. Which is the time I've decided to put it up every morning, even if that means that nobody gets to see it before they go to work. They'll see it when they get home, or they'll watch it on the lunch break. Otherwise, I'm up till like 2 in the morning editing it, and I just don't function that way. So, while I am a night owl, I need sleep. A lot of it. And I'm okay with that. So, it is advent calendar time before I go and eat like actual breakfast. I've already brushed my teeth though, so. Yeah. Alright, so let's start with mine because it's mine and I can do that. So I need window 2. This thing is so shiny. Oh, it's right here. Okay. Ooh. These are delicious. And much easier to open than the little ball thing was yesterday. I love Lindt chocolate so much. Okay, so we just got like a little bar. When I went to Switzerland when I was like 13 with a girl guide trip, we stayed in Zurich, and there was a Lindt factory really close to where we were staying, and it just smelled like chocolate all the time. It was amazing. If you know anybody who grew up in Smith Falls when the Hershey factory was there, it smelled like chocolate all the time too, you will understand. Okay, now on to Abby's advent calendar. She has no idea what's coming. Do you, buddy? You have no idea. Okay. So, this is Abby's. There we go. Obviously, it's another little squidgy meat thing. But this one's drier this time. Okay, I've got it out. Abby sees the treat. Abby wants the treat. Is Abby gonna sit for the treat? Yeah? You gonna sit? Good girl. Look at you, licking your lips. Did you want this? Yeah. Does it smell good? I don't know why there's a grocery bag on my floor, but there is. Okay. I think this one's crunchier and drier today. The other one was quite sticky. Was that delicious? Was that delicious? Yes. So good, right? So good. Hi, bunny. Oh, hi, buddy. Look at this. She sticks her leg out when you rub this side of her tummy. It's really funny. Alright. That's us in the mirror. Okay. I gotta go get some breakfast, okay? So it snowed a lot last night. It's still kind of snowing. Ugh. I'm going nowhere today. You are currently balancing on top of a carton of chicken broth. So I hope you enjoyed the view of the bottom half of my face. I'm having tacos. Lots of tacos for breakfast. They were just leftovers in the fridge, so I'm gonna eat them. I definitely should have tied up my hair. Eating tacos with your hair down is like the worst. You guys see this? laundry is started. It's several hours later, like 10 hours later from the last time I talked to you guys, and I've managed to accomplish nothing, like absolutely nothing. So I just read my book and finished my book, started another book. Not really a whole lot of anything else, actually. I watched a Christmas movie. I have no idea what it was called. It was another one of those like Hallmark ones, the ones that I hate. This wasn't too bad, but I can predict them pretty easily now, and everybody hates that. So they get mad when I do that. Oh shoot, I should have picked up all my socks. Am I the only one, please tell me I'm not, who just flicks off their socks when they get into bed and then you end up with socks everywhere? I know I can't be the only one. I just have socks everywhere. And then I can never find socks when I need them, so, you know. Anyway, I really have done nothing. I don't want to do anything. I just, like, I need these days, like this Monday, as a rest day. I work all weekend. I work, like, Tuesday to Friday. Then I work all weekend, and so not working on Mondays is, like, my only day off, really. So I'm not sure how this is gonna, like, work out with trying to not work. Like, I don't know. So everything I didn't get done today needs to happen tomorrow, and on top of everything that needed to happen tomorrow, so I don't know. I was hoping to film individual videos still for Wednesdays and Saturdays, but I'm thinking that instead I might just either talk about them in the vlog and put it as like a segment, or do the thing but like not make it its own official video. I don't know. Or save them till after Vlogmas, because Vlogmas just like takes up all my mental energy, and I have a huge client project that has to get done before the end of the year. Otherwise the person's website will just not exist, and I need to move them to an entirely new platform and make a new website for them. So that, and make them a new logo, which is not necessarily my strength, but like I can do it. It just, like, I'm not a graphic designer. I just have to like put that out there. I'm making them a new logo because they asked me to, because they just want it to be like font based. So that's taken a lot of work already. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna do vlogs every day instead of adding in extra videos. It gets really confusing. Yes, it means I have to edit a video every day, but it's easier than pre-filming, if that makes sense. I don't know. I don't know. I'm shedding hairs. Yeah. On Wednesday, I will film a get ready with me to go up like on Thursday as part of the vlog, because I have to leave the house on Wednesday to go to my networking dinner. So that'll be the bulk of the vlog, which was one video type I wanted to have. Yeah, I don't know. Just lots to think about. Anyway, I didn't get any sewing done today. What I did do, which I almost can't show you because there's so little battery left on my phone, was I read a book. The book I finished is called Headstrong Like Us. I know it's reflecting back the top screen. It's book 6 in the Like Us series. I've read all of them so far. It was really good. It took me several days to read. It's not an easy read, at least not for me. There's a lot of some like dark subjects, I guess. But it's, again, like, I would say it's more romance with a bit of erotica, not erotica, but like erotic romance novel versus just straight up romance or erotica. And scratching something on my face. And so it's, there's some sex in it, but it's mostly about their relationship and their lives. It's, because it's the 6th book, I won't tell you much about it because like you really need to read all 6 if you want to. I'll link them in the description, at least the first book, to get you started. It's following a famous family, not a real famous family, but like the famous ones they call them, and their security team and their lives and their romances. And so it involves a lot of their family members, and it jumps around from like following one guy and his relationship, and then his cousin and her relationship, and like others in the family's relationship. So it's interesting, and you finally get sort of a conclusion of one of the relationships. Not a conclusion, but like you get like a good thing, you know, and they all end on cliffhangers, except this one did not, because obviously it's coming to like that natural conclusion, but everyone before that has ended on a cliffhanger, so be prepared, like, that you will need to get all 6 books. Luckily 6 of them are out. The next 2 don't come out until 2020, like mid 2020. So like if you start reading it and you get addicted, you've been warned, it'll be 6 months before you get another book. And I've been waiting probably 3 or 4 months to get a book, so to get like the next book in the series. Do those flicker? No, they do not. Okay. Yeah, so that's what I did. I finished that, and instead of being the responsible adult that I should be, I immediately started reading another one. Not in that series, but it's in a different series, and this one's called The Mighty Anchor. So it's this one here. It's about like a British footballer or soccer guy. I don't know. It's not like, you don't have to read these ones back to back to know what's going on. So that's good. This one's just a little lighter is all. So, yeah, I don't really have anything else to say. This is gonna probably be like the shortest vlog ever, most pointless vlog ever, but that's just the way the cookie crumbles. Some days I did absolutely nothing today. Anyway, I gotta go let the dog in because she's been outside this whole time, probably frolicking in the snow, but would more than likely like in now because it's fucking freezing outside. And then I gotta feed her. I'm gonna try and record feeding her and how happy she gets because it's really cute. Okay. Like I said, really fucking cute. So, I'm gonna go now, and I'm gonna get in my pajamas. I am in the middle of doing laundry, so I will need to rotate that to the dryer eventually. But I'm also gonna crack out my new dryer balls. So I have a set of these already, but I keep losing them. Every time I do a load of laundry, they get stuck and stuff. And that's kind of like how it works, right? So I picked these up from Boho and Hobo. I'll link them down below. They're local to me, but you can order them online. So they'll do like anti-static, so you don't need to use dryer sheets. And they dry your clothes faster because they separate the clothes. You put both of them in the dryer at the same time and then just fire it up. And they bounce between your clothes. I'm doing this when you can't see, I'm doing this. There we go. So they keep your clothes separated, so they dry faster. So I will crack those open soon, and I think that's it. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!